The girl who could talk to birds. Long ago, in the peaceful village of Ajat, there lived a kind and curious girl named Amara. Every morning, she visited the forest, where colorful birds greeted her with cheerful songs. One magical day, she discovered she could understand everything the birds were saying. The birds warned Amara that careless hunters were frightening the animals and that a heavy storm was coming. Instead of ignoring them, Amara listened carefully and shared the birds' message with the villagers. At first, no one believed her. But Amara remained calm and guided everyone to prepare for the storm. The villagers repaired their homes, protected their farms, and helped the forest animals find safe places. Soon, the great storm arrived. Thanks to Amara's warning, no one was hurt, and the village was safe. After the storm, the villagers realized that wisdom comes from paying attention, even to the smallest voices. They promised to care for the forest and protect the birds that had helped them. From that day on, Amara became known as the girl who could talk to birds, and people from far away came to hear her stories and learn to respect nature. Moral: listening carefully leads to wisdom,